Candidate number 1, representing Zabali, Ms. Issa de Leon.
As a beauty queen, I will handle my fame by creating a positive and meaningful impact on my community. I will uphold authenticity as my public image and drawn from the stronghold of my values and from the support of my loved ones. Thank you.
Thank you, Issa de Leon.
Next, we call on candidate number 1, representing Zabali, Issa de Leon. Please choose the judge. Asking your question will be Ms. Alexandra Faith Garcia.
Good evening, candidate number 1.
Good evening po.
My question for you, name one spot here in Baler that you would like to promote to the world and why?
I will promote our hanging bridge because our hanging bridge symbolizes that we are connected, and as our municipality, I believe that we have unity in our town. Thank you.
Our winner is candidate number 1, representing Zabali, Ms. Issa de Leon. You are our Binibining Baler 2023. Once again, our Binibining Baler 2023. Please take your first walk as a new queen of Baler.
Congratulations, candidate number 1, representing Zabali, Ms. Issa de Leon. You are our new Binibining Baler!
And Victor Sulayan, mabuhay ang bayan ng Baler!